Hello students, welcome to the TMPS online classes. Today we are going to discuss with the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, Word 2016, but the topic is closing a document and exiting a Word 2016. In the previous class we have studied many topics like entering the data, adding the data, moving the document, saving the document, printing the document, opening and editing the document, and the shortcut keys of these documents. What is the shortcut keys of opening a document? That is Control plus O, save Control plus S, and print Control plus P. Move from one direction to another. Moving means, I told you all, moving one document from one place to another place. This is the last topic of the same chapter. After these two topics, the chapter will be end. So, first of all, your work is go through all the videos of the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, Word 2016. And after watching that video, you will do this or watch this video, because this is the last video or the last topic of the same chapter. Without understanding the previous topic or the thing, you cannot come to this point, because this is the last at the closing or exiting a document. What is closing a document? Closing means किसी चीज को बंद करना, isn't it? So when we close a document, जब हम अपने document को बंद करते हैं, what are the steps involved in closing a document? Here the first step is click on the File tab. File tab means File tab is present at the left corner here. Okay, I told you all. So click on the File tab. Then a pop-up menu will come. A pop-up menu with many options. Open is mentioned there. A pop-up menu with many options. So open is mentioned there. Click on open button. Whenever you click on open button, the file will be open. In the previous class we have just seen this now. But in the same manner, when you click on the File tab, below that open, close button is mentioned. So click on the close option. What you click? Close option. You can also press Ctrl plus W. When you click on the close option, the document will be closed. बंद हो जाएगा. Okay? If you do not want to go to the File tab, अगर आप File tabs पे नहीं जाना चाहते, then what you will do? You will press Ctrl plus W. Control plus W is the shortcut key for closing a document. Okay. Now the next what you will observe that Word 2016 will prompt you to save the changes. What they prompt you? Prompt means आपको pop-up menu, एक छोटा सा बॉक्स बन के आएगा कि if you want to save the changes, जो भी changes आपने documents में किए हैं वो आपको save करना है, और don't save or cancel. 3 options will be mentioned there. What are the 3 options? Save, don't save, and cancel. Okay. So click on the save. If you want to save the changes, अगर आप changes को save करना चाहते हो, then click on the save button. And if you don't want to save the changes, कि आपने जो भी changes किया है उसको save नहीं करना है, then click on the don't save options. So after clicking on the save option, अगर आपने save नहीं किया है तो आप पहले save option पे click करोगे, then okay, your file will be closed. तो क्या हो जाएगा? File पहले save होगी और फिर close हो जाएगी. So these are the steps involved in closing the document. What are the steps? First step is go to the File tab, then pop-up menu will appear. Go to the close button. Your window or the document will be closed. Okay. Then what is the shortcut key for close the document? Shortcut key for close the document is Ctrl plus W. When you will press Ctrl plus W or close option, one prompt means one pop-up menu will appear. It will give you the notification of whether you want to save the changes or you don't want to save the changes. आपको जो भी changes आपने किए हैं उसको डॉक्यूमेंट को क्लोज करने से पहले आप चेंजेस को सेव करना चाहते हैं कि नहीं सेव करना चाहते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू सेव द चेंजेस, अगर आप सेव करना चाहते हो देन क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन. तो आपको किस पे क्लिक करना है? सेव बटन पे. आफ्टर दैट प्रेस ओके, योर फाइल विल बी क्लोज्ड. आपकी फाइल सेव होके क्लोज हो जाएगी. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द topic closing the document, how you close the document. Now come to the next topic, that is exiting the document. Exit means कहीं से बाहर जाना, isn't it? Exiting the Word 2016. Click the close button on the title bar to exit the Word application. It is the same title bar पे आपको suppose here right corner three button was there, minimize, maximize and close or exit, isn't it? Click on this button means cross button पे आपको क्लिक करना है. ये टाइटल बार पे मेंशन होता है. क्लिक ऑन दिस क्रॉस बटन, योर फाइल विल बी एग्जिट और यू विल बी एग्जिट द एप्लीकेशन. आप उस एप्लीकेशन से बाहर चले जाओगे. Next, what you will see, you can also exit the application by pressing Ctrl plus F4. What is the shortcut key for exiting the document? Exiting the document shortcut key is Alt plus 4. Alt means it is the option given on the keyboard. Press Alt, साथ में आपको F4 प्रेस करना है. तो आप क्या करोगे, उस एप्लीकेशन से, सपोज यू आर ओपनिंग एप्लीकेशन ऑफ वर्ड, आप वर्ड पे काम कर रहे हो एंड इफ यू वांट टू एग्जिट फ्रॉम दैट एप्लीकेशन, आपको वर्ड से बाहर जाके या वापस जाके आपको क्या ओपन करना है? पेंट ओपन करना है. देन व्हाट यू विल डू, अगर आपको पेंट ओपन करना है देन क्लिक ऑन द क्लोज ऑप्शन. दिस वन इज एग्जिट ऑप्शन. यहाँ से आप क्लिक करोगे देन योर फाइल और एप्लीकेशन क्या हो जाएगा? वो एप्लीकेशन वर्ड वाला एग्जिट हो जाएगा, आप वो बंद हो जाएगा. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू प्रेस दैट एग्जिट बटन देन what you will press Alt plus F4. अगर आप यहाँ से नहीं जाना चाहते हो तो आप क्या प्रेस करोगे? Alt plus F4 from the keyboard. Then what you will see, you will exit the Word 2016. Here is the two shortcut keys I have mentioned here. Open shortcut key is Ctrl plus O. अगर आपको किसी फाइल को ओपन करना है, what you will do, Ctrl plus O. What you will press? Ctrl plus O. If you want to save the documents, then what you will press? Ctrl plus S. This is the shortcut key for save. Now, I am writing down this thing that the shortcut keys of the same Word 2016. Please note down in your copy if you have. The shortcut keys are first, save. What is the shortcut key for save? Ctrl plus S. Second, open. Ctrl plus O. The shortcut key for open is Ctrl plus O. Close. Ctrl plus W. What is the shortcut key for close? Ctrl plus W. Fourth, exit. Alt plus F4. Shortcut key for exit is Alt plus F4. And the last, that is, if you want to see this one, print. Print shortcut key is Ctrl plus P. So these are the 5 shortcut keys which you have to do it in your computer copy. So first shortcut key is save, Ctrl plus S, open, Ctrl plus O, close, Ctrl plus W, exit, Alt plus F4 and print, Ctrl plus P. Note down in your computer notebook and try to remember these shortcut keys. It is very helpful for you all. Thank you class. Have a nice day.